मेक आवर ओन मैग्नेट, हम अपना मैग्नेट अब खुद बनाएंगे, तो हम ये देखेंगे कि मैग्नेट बनता कैसे है. So for this we have to take a rectangular piece of iron. Here I have taken rectangular piece of iron. See, ये मेरा rectangular piece of iron है. This is my piece of iron. So I have taken this for this experiment. Now place it on the table. All right, we have placed it on the table. Imagine it is on the table. Okay, take a bar magnet and place one of its poles near one edge of a bar of iron. So for example, this is the bar magnet I am holding in my hand. Now what I have to do is, I have to place one of its end. For example, this lower end, I am placing it on the iron, piece of iron like this. Yeah? So this is what they are telling us to do. Okay, without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of an iron bar. See this picture carefully. In this picture, they have shown how they are moving the bar magnet along the length of an iron bar. Yeah? So this, what we have to do is, we have to take this bar magnet and we have to move along this iron bar like this. See how I am moving? Means I am not lifting the bar magnet, but instead I am moving it again and again on the piece of iron like this. Got it? So this is what they have shown in this picture also. Now move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction. Means आपको same direction में ही बार बार आपको move करते रहना है on the iron bar. Yes? Repeat this process about 30-40 times. कम से कम आपको ये प्रोसेस 30-40 टाइम्स तो रिपीट करना ही है. Alright. Now bring a pin or some iron fillings near the iron bar. अब क्या किया? 30-40 times, for example, I have moved my bar magnet on the iron bar. Okay, now I have to remove the bar magnet. मैंने bar magnet रख दिया है कहीं. Now I have to bring a pin. अब मैं कोई पिन लेके आ गई या फिर आयरन नेल लेके आ गई near the iron bar. Got it? Now what we have to observe here कि क्या ये पिन इससे अट्रैक्ट होता है या नहीं इस आयरन बार से. अगर तो it is getting attracted, means we are successful in making our own bar magnet. But if not, then you have to continue the process until it becomes a magnet. आपको तब तक वो प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू रखना है जब तक आपको अपना मैग्नेट नहीं मिल जाता. Got it? Okay, you can use the iron nail, a needle, a blade to convert them into magnet. Instead of taking piece of iron, आप एक पिन भी ले सकते हैं, एक आयरन नेल भी ले सकते हैं, आप एक नीडल भी ले सकते हैं, and you can take a blade also, and you can use these metals and convert them into a magnet just like we have converted this piece of iron.